back to TRERACKSCITY. My name is Trevor. Today, I'm here with my brother and a guy named John and Jordy, and then his dad. We're going to Jarbidge, Nevada today. It's about 74 miles. So, we're gonna put the TT250 to a good test today. But we shall see how it goes. Gotta try to catch up though. Hey, what are you guys doing right there? Oh, that's cool. What up, kids? What's up, kids? You're okay? Oh. It's okay. Oh, it's okay. Don't worry. Man, I feel like such a villain out here to these cows. I feel like I'm just terrorizing them their whole lives. I'm just trying to ride some trails, man. No worries. Don't worry, be happy. Woo! Starting to gain some altitude. Whoa! Man, this is so cool. I came across this really big hawk up on this tree, and I tried to capture it, but this is what happened. Go, dude. Wow. Very vibrant out here. Got some amazing landscapes. This isn't even what I pictured. Just look at it. It almost reminds me of going in Oregon over there. It is straight beautiful though. You guys see that butterfly almost hit me right in the face? I'm not exaggerating here, but this is one of my favorite and prettiest rides I've done in a while. Just look at all of these trees. What do you guys think? I mean, just look at it. So this is the town of Jarbidge. Welcome to Jarbidge. This is the nice old town of Jarbidge. And it looks like this is going to be our hotel. Alright, so we're eating at the Outdoor Inn. It's a pretty cool little spot. We all parked the bikes here. I love getting a nice cold beer after a long ride. But here is the bar. It's pretty cool. And I ordered a bacon cheeseburger. Came out on paper plates. It's pretty funny. But oh, from the sounds of it, it looks like Taylor's getting into some trouble. Well, some good trouble. Winner, winner, winner. Feel like I'm in a Western. This is a cute little town. Really cool views. Alright, so this is John right here. And then you got my brother Taylor. We're all just dorking on out. And then Jordy and his dad ahead of us. We just got done eating lunch and checking out the room. I just went to that little gift shop at the hotel in there. There's a lady that I think owns it. Her name's Jane. She's super sweet and told me a little bit of history of Jarbidge. And yeah, it was fun talking to her. And now we're just out exploring a bit. Just to see, check things around and see if we can find some cool stuff. Oh, that's a kind of a rough road. When I was climbing up this hill, it didn't seem as steep as it was going down. You'll see what kind of problems I have when I do that. Man, this is a freaking intense little road. Oh. Damn. He's moving. Tasty. Honestly, at this point, I don't know where we're going. We ran into this guy and he kind of just said, go to this creek, it's pretty cool, take a left, take a left, take a right, take a left. I don't know exactly where it is or what it's called, but we're gonna hit it. Gosh, dang. This is how you pop a tire. I'm good. I don't know if I want to go anymore.
I don't know if I do either.
All right, I think I'm good. Okay. Are you gonna be okay?
I hope so. I just want to let them know that we're gonna go back.
Ooh.
Go with them, dude. I just don't.
Look at my eyes real quick. Well, 3 of us turned back around. I didn't like how crazy rough that road was. Let me know in the comments what you thought about that road. Yeah, I was like, nah, I'm okay. I don't need to go down any farther. So we're heading on back to Jarbidge to drive through town, maybe see some old school cars or something. This place has a lot of dirt trails, kind of like where I'm from in Elko. You just hit some dirt trails and just go for days.
Well, with them guys gone, the pressure's off for you to go up that hill.
You won't tell them if I fall? I think that's called foreshadowing. Yeah, he was just saying, hey, the pressure's off. Those guys won't give you crap if you fall on this hill. I guess the guy called this hill the suicide hill. Yeah, no thank you. I'm okay. I ain't wanting to do that. But this is it right here. Goes all the way down. Jordy attempted it and he got pretty far up, but man, I'm not going to push this TT more than I have to. It's a good bike, but I still have like 80 miles to drive tomorrow, so. But yeah, let's go see what we can find in town. Okay. Okay, so here we go. Isn't that fun? I might have done something to my ankle though. Oh!
Here, sit down, take a rest for a minute.
Okay.
What's that ankle there?
Oh! Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Sit down for a minute, let it rest.
Yeah.
Stop and work on it.
Thanks, guys. Well, looks like I'm the one that fell again. I'm just kind of tired of falling all the time. Maybe I get too excited or something, but this hill is steep. And I was just going right here and all these big rocks underneath this dirt slid me around, and I overcorrected and I fell into this berm here. The bike landed on my ankle. It's definitely sprained. Oh, I think. But it's not broken. It's just sprained. The walk of shame. Taylor brought the bike down for me. Frick, the ankle's starting to hurt now. If you ain't falling, you ain't learning. That's what Jordy said, so. Apparently, it's just time for me to learn all the time. The walk of shame.
See, John, every time I'm with John, I get hurt.
Yeah?
When did you get sprained? Remember when I fell off that ladder?
He's like, what?
I don't remember what we were doing, but
It's always fun to get a fall under your belt. The bike was flooded, but it's okay. This morning I'm all talking like, nope, we're not going to fall today. I do not remember this being this steep. Unfortunately, I did not get the wreck on film again. God, I can't believe I didn't have the GoPro going again. That's part of filming. Sometimes you just miss that shot. And I'm not missing the wrecks on purpose, I promise. Taylor, hi. So we made our way to the trading post. This is kind of their general store. And met a sweet lady in there named Cindy. And she owns it, so it was pretty cool to explore in there. And right next door is the Jarbidge jail, where they locked up Ben Cole from the Jarbidge stage robbery. This has some pretty cool history to it.
you might come closer.
Ooh. Wow, this does feel like a real prison. Yeah, living life. Dun, dun, dun. I remember seeing a cave on the way up. I just wanted to see what that little cave was. Maybe we'll go in there and, you know, hopefully not get killed. I believe the cave was like right here somewhere. Might be kind of cool to look at. Got a little cave up in there.
Taylor, you go first.
Oh. Wow, that's cool. I know this cave's a little creepy, but we just couldn't help ourselves. But parked the bikes over there. I was trying to walk up this little way here, but my dang ankle was hurting really bad. So I made this little stick walker. Helped me quite a bit. But yeah, this place is pretty cool once you get inside here.
I would sleep in house if I slept in here. I'd be too worried about snakes.
Oh yeah, seriously. It was so dark. Kind of creepy, but it wasn't very big in there. Not a lot of room to walk down, so it was cool to explore and check things out. Now we're heading on out.
Listen to that fall. Oh wow. like a good old SAS.
Oh! We got back to town, walked through the streets of Jarbidge. It was a great time. Let the sun go down, and we all got ready for a prime rib dinner, which is, I guess, their specialty on Saturday nights. Man, it was incredible. And the pie, I got rhubarb and lemon custard ice cream. But yeah, way good. But after dinner, I was really tired and my ankle's really swollen and hurting, so I decided to just go back to the room and get some extra rest. So you can see here, I don't know if you can tell, but it's really swollen and it hurt bad, but I passed out and we'll see you in the morning.
A few hours later.
Coffee and biscuits and gravy in the morning? Yes, please. Alright, we got all packed up. I like people riding through here, they don't have windshield or doors. It's really cool, but got the bike all loaded up. No damage really, just, you know, more scrapes. Everything works great. You know, I checked everything, so we're good. The ankle is doing a lot better, so just a light sprain, I believe. So we're gonna hit the road now, but this place has been very cool. But I just met a guy named Spencer. He's from Georgia. He's doing that BDR trail. He's riding a KLR 650. He said it was bored out. I forgot to what, but oh yeah. I like how they're just so lean back over here. No doors, no windshield. That's cool. But yeah, Spencer was a good guy, and I was talking with him a bit, and he does a lot of adventures himself. So here's a picture of him. It's time to get the bikes put up and hit the road. Bye, Jane. See how peaceful this little town is? I love it. Oh, there's a butterfly on my leg. Oh, man. Oh. Poor butterfly landed right on my leg. There's so many butterflies here. Poor butterfly was just like landed right on my boot, and he's like, stop, please. Yeah, we're hitting the road. Got about another 100 miles till I get home or so. But yeah, the ankle's doing awesome this morning. But last night was really bad. I was getting really nervous. But this morning, woke up, felt awesome. So I'm grateful. The bike's not messed up. I'm not too badly hurt. I'm just happy. What do you guys think of that little town of Jarbidge? I think it's so cool. It's so unique in its own way. But this trip was just a really good time. Really good time. Oh, that's cool. Ah! You doing all right? You need some help?
If you wouldn't mind helping me lift.
Yeah.
Around the corner a little bit on my side, and I ended up in front.
Yeah, no problem, man. Okay.
Thank you guys so much.
Yeah, no problem.
Oh well, I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem, man. I know I had a good fall yesterday, so all right, man. Ride safe, dude. Thanks. Woo! Oh my gosh. Don't look too much over there. Holy moly. I don't remember it feeling this. Oh. Yeah. Would you guys look? That is steep, man. Jeez. Yeah, a lot of butterflies here. It's kind of cool. Thank you for watching my little video to Jarbidge here in Nevada. I had such an amazing time. It was a good trip. I have another 100 miles back. But yeah, had some ups and downs, but that sometimes makes the best adventures. So, you know, you just move forward and yeah, enjoy the little things. But thank you for watching. Hope you guys have a great week ahead. Stay out of trouble, and we'll see you next time.